back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a thrift haul. What is new? I actually have been thrifting for a couple of trips and I want to kind of combine them into kind of a two-part thrift haul. I've got too much to show on one haul, so I'm going to split it into two in kind of no rhyme or reason. I'm just going to kind of pick up stuff out of the bag and go for it. I just wanted to apologise. I had a little break from YouTube. I just had a lot of personal stuff going on and it's been a crazy couple of weeks, but we are back with the thrift haul, which is exactly what I love to do and what I love to show you guys. I love to show you what you can find from the charity shops, secondhand, and just make you realise what an amazing thing secondhand fashion is, and just try and slow down that fast fashion movement and get that kind of out the way and bring in all the amazing secondhand pieces. So if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. So this, I did a trip in Wickford, which were the first couple of pieces. I've not been to the Wickford charity shops before. They were quite good, really cheap, and a good selection. So if you're in the Essex area, maybe try Wickford. I think there were 3 or 4, which is really good. So this was from Sue Ryder. It was £3.50. It's a men's large, I believe, and the original brand is called Brooker Casual Essentials, and it's just this gorgeous kind of a baby blue jumper with kind of this checkered pattern through it. I know it is meant to be summer, but it is a little bit chilly still, and to be honest, I can't ever pass up a nice jumper when I see one, and this is quite light, like a lightweight jumper. I just thought this is really cute. I thought I could style this with sort of jeans, with leggings, with anything really, and I just really liked the colour, and it feels really soft, which I really like. And for £3.50 for a men's jumper is really good, so I really liked this and just really fell in love with the colour. I don't own much baby blue, but I really enjoy it as a colour, and there is more blue coming up in somewhere else in this haul. But I really liked this, and this is one of the first things I saw and I just loved a lot. Sue Ryder is always a good charity shop. I find they're quite reasonably priced, so I was really happy with this one. I absolutely love this jumper. This is so soft and snuggly. I think it actually works really well with just a pair of leggings. This is so comfortable and definitely something I will be chucking on loads when it gets a little bit colder, or even just in the evening at the moment. Because it's so small and kind of thin, you can pop this in your bag and take it out at the moment. So if it gets a little bit chillier in the evenings, you can pop this on. I really love this. I love the colour. It's something that I don't see too much, and I just really love this one, and it's so soft and so snuggly. And although it's quite thin, I still feel really warm and cosy. I just really like this one a lot, and I think this is one of my favourite pieces that I've got, so really happy with this one. Then picked up this, again, this is going to be a theme. So the whole reason I went to the charity shops is that I'm going to a Disney quiz, and you get extra points for dressing up, and you know me, I will try and dress up as much as I can. And I thought I would find something in the charity shops. I was originally looking for something white and lace so I could do like a Mary Poppins jolly holiday vibe. Didn't find that, but I did find some yellow, and I brought this, and I actually found something better eventually, but I still got this, which is really cute. So this top was from Next originally. It's a size 18. It was £2, and this was from St Luke's Hospice, and it's just this gorgeous kind of yellow top. It's got these kind of ribbon kind of sleeves, and then the actual fabric is kind of, it's not a satin, but it's kind of a shinier material. And I just thought this was really cute. I thought I could wear this with jeans, and it's just a nice kind of everyday top. I really love yellow, and I find yellow goes with my skin tone, and I'm trying to implement a lot more yellow in my wardrobe, as it's definitely my happy colour. And for £2, I thought this was super cheap and really nice, so I picked up that. Now, this top for £2 is amazing. I really love the fabric. I love the look of it. It is a tiny bit big, so it's maybe one that I give my mum, because I'm sure she'll really like this, and she's just the tiniest bit bigger than me, so we can share clothes really well because, yeah, we're basically the same size. So I think this will probably look better on her, so I may see if she wants it, but for £2, it's great, and I could wear this. Like, I can wear it, it's not like too big. I think with some maybe tighter jeans it might look better, as I've just popped on my baggy jeans at the moment, but I do really like this top, and I think I probably could style this nicely. And it also is quite long, so it's quite good because if I do just want to wear leggings, I can kind of get away with that. But yeah, not really too much to say about it. It's a £2 kind of very plain top, but tiny bit big for me, but I'm not sure, might be able to style it, but yeah. I also picked up this dress. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't fit. I thought it would do, and I will obviously try it on and show you guys. So this was a size 18, I believe, and I'm more around a 14 to 16 as reference. But to be honest, this dress looked absolutely tiny off. So it's size 18, and I got this with the idea of it's my 21st coming up in a couple of months, and I'm looking for a nice dress. I kind of want a long dress and a nice fancy dress, but obviously I only really want to get it second hand. So I found this dress, and it's this gorgeous kind of a bit 90s 2000y, and it's this black with this gorgeous kind of beaded detail, and it is just a maxi dress. This was £4. It's originally from Wallace, and I just thought that's an insane price. Like, this is so cheap for a long evening dress, and this sort of style is definitely coming back. Sort of the 90s 2000 is all the rage, and I just loved this dress. I loved the beaded detail, and it kind of flows out a bit more at the bottom. Obviously you will see it on a try on clip, but I just thought this is super cute. And I think this just goes to show you can get kind of fancier dresses. Also in Wickford, they had some actual prom dresses, like obviously very recently made prom dresses. I didn't check the price, but I thought that was really good. So if you want a prom dress and you don't want to spend a crazy amount, definitely check out the charity shops. You might have to mooch around a little bit, but considering I found that, and there's another dress coming up later on that's quite dressy, definitely keep an eye out in your local charity shops for evening dresses if that's what you're in the market for. So here is the black beaded dress. I really want to love this. I want it to fit so bad because it's so gorgeous. I do think it really flatters kind of a more curvy figure, and I think these kind of dresses really do. These kind of 90s 2000s style really do kind of go over your curves, and I think they just look really gorgeous. I do think I may fiddle around with it, maybe fiddle around with the straps and get some of them little clips I'm seeing over on TikTok, and see if I could maybe just kind of cinch in this waist part a little bit, because I think it only needs the tiniest bit of cinching here, and I think it would be perfect. It's also a really good length. It just about hits the floor, which means I could probably wear tiny little heels with it and that'd be fine, or even flats. And I just love this. I think it's really fun, and for £4, I literally can't complain. I just think this is insane. Such a good price for such a good quality item. I just think this one's gorgeous. So I also picked up this jacket, which is a bit of a problem because I've brought so many leather jackets in these hauls, but this one is different, and this one's actually what I've been looking for the whole time. So I've been looking for a lovely oversized leather jacket. It's all the rage right now, or at least it was, and I just really wanted an oversized leather jacket to just wear with kind of an all black outfit, some gold jewellery, and I found this gorgeous one. This was £10 from St Luke's Hospice, and it said a men's large, and it's just this gorgeous kind of blazer style leather jacket. It is really oversized, which is exactly what I wanted, and I'm really happy with it. It does mean I'm going to put my other leather jacket on Depop because I don't need 3. So I've got a long one, which I'm going to keep. I'm probably going to sell my shorter one. But I just thought this is so cute. I do need to give it a little wash. It's a bit musky smelling, as most charity shop things are, but I always wash my items before wearing them. And with things like this, I will actually show you what I use to clean them. So I use this, which is from Fabulosa, and it is an all-in-one disinfectant spray for soft and hard surfaces, and it literally comes out, I will show you, in like a foam consistency. So I'm happy to spray kind of that over all of the material, and I'll just leave that to dry, and it just disinfects everything. And also this one's lemon scented, so it kind of fragrances the clothing items as well. So I do that whenever I have new items. I'm not sure it's meant necessarily for clothes, but it's always worked on the items I've sprayed it on and nothing's happened with it, and it's, yeah, nice. So I use that actually for coats and things I don't want to chuck in the wash. So I picked up that. I think with this leather jacket, it is slightly too big, annoyingly. I want a perfect oversized one, and all my ones so far have been too small. This one is a tiny bit big. I'm not quite sure on it. I think if I style it up, I could probably get away with it. But is that awkward in between? I don't want it to just look like you're wearing your dad's jacket. But at the same time, like, I do really want to love it, and I know the style is to have them really big and oversized. So what I might do is I'm going to clean this up, might play around with it a little bit, see if I wear it, and if not, then I'll just sell it on. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is it too big? Is it very obvious that it's just a massive oversized jacket? Or does it look like an oversized massive jacket you'd buy new at the moment? I'm just not so sure, but I don't know if it's just me not used to wearing something this baggy, and if just all the jackets I'm wearing at the moment are really tight. I'm not sure, so let me know what you think in the comments. So that was actually from Billericay. All the rest of the items are now from Billericay charity shops. So this was from Oxfam. It was £2.99, and it's just this little photo frame from Tesco's. Originally, I don't think it would probably be much more than £2.99 in Tesco's, but it's really heavy and like a really nice quality picture frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put pictures of me and my sisters and my granddad in here, as it's his birthday, and I feel like that's a cute little present. So I picked up that, And that is all I'm going to show you for this haul. There is going to be part 2 coming up. But I'm going to upload this today, hopefully. So part 2 should be coming out Sunday. With the other items I picked up, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. We do lots about sustainable fashion, body confidence, general life stuff. I'm also a business owner, so occasionally you get some beauty business pieces in here too. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite item is, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!